What's good YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. Supreme and Nike have been collabing for years now, and a lot of the times they collab on some pretty obscure models that aren't as popular. Now they have collabed on maybe the most popular Nike sneaker over the last couple of years, the Dunk. However, it is a high top, and I'm pretty hyped I got a pair. I will be reviewing the Nike SB Dunk High Supreme by any means. So what's good guys, shout out to all of my long-term viewers. You guys are amazing, and if you are new here, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews and other types of sneaker content. If you are into that and you like sneakers, you like some chill vibes to go along with it, make sure you hit that red subscribe button at the bottom right of your screen, and give me a follow on these platforms as well while you're at it. I'm pretty active on there as well. So in this video, I'll be telling you everything you need to know about the latest Supreme and Nike collab, what makes this shoe special, how's the quality on these, and of course I'll tell you whether or not these are worth the price. So let's get into it. So here it is, Supreme Nike SB Dunk High by any means. We've actually been teased this collab for quite a long time. We first saw pictures all the way last summer. The first pictures we saw were of that white and black colorway, or the Stormtrooper colorway. Turns out that these sneakers released in 3 different colorways. Alongside that Stormtrooper pair, you also had this green and gold colorway, or Brazil colorway, and then the pair that I was able to cop is this red and navy blue. I copped this using the Supreme app, and honestly guys, I just kind of panicked. Of course I wanted to get my size, but I was just a bit too slow on the app, and my size sold out in the Brazil colorway, which is the one I wanted. So instead I just tried to get whatever I could, and I ended up with a size 8 in this colorway. Out of the 3 colorways that dropped, definitely my personal favorite was that Brazil colorway. I wouldn't have also mind copping that Stormtrooper pair. This one was probably the least favorite out of the 3 for me. Let me know down in the comments which was your favorite of the 3. Supreme and Nike are definitely no stranger to the Dunk. They have several Dunk collabs in the past. Who can forget the ones that released last year, those Dunk lows? I mean, you can just look at those resale prices right now. But we haven't seen a Dunk High, not that I can remember, for quite a long time. They dropped this in the first week of the spring-summer 2022 season, and so far Supreme is actually having a pretty strong start to the season. Week 1 we had the Dunks dropping, and then week 2 there was that very dope Supreme and Burberry collab. I did manage to cop this deck, which was the item that I wanted the most. I don't skate or anything. You can call me a poser in the comments if you want. I just wanted to put this up on my wall because that's a pretty dope looking Burberry plaid print. If you are a fan of Supreme, then you definitely will love this shoe because they really paid attention to details here. On the back of the sneaker, you see the by any means slogan, and the NY in that slogan is actually a play on the NYC Nike logo by John Jay. On the front of the sneaker, you also have this no love symbol, which is of course a take on that very famous I love New York slogan. On the heel of the sneaker, Supreme Team is embroidered into the leather, and on the tongue you see the letters SUP with the Nike logo as well. The shoe also comes with this Supreme and Nike hang tag. And finally, even on the lace tips of the sneaker, you see that Supreme slogan, world famous. You also get a Supreme and Nike SB insole. It's basically a Nike Dunk High with a lot of different Supreme slogans on the shoe. So like I was saying, if you are a fan of the brand, you probably mess with this shoe. The sneakers come standard with the blue laces, and you also get this extra pair of red laces, which matches the shoe. I was pretty surprised that they didn't include a pair of crispy white laces because in my opinion, this is definitely the best color for the sneaker. The white laces really do make the shoe pop, so I went ahead and added my own. Of course, these are from my shop if you didn't already know, Elevate Laces. The link is in the description. We do ship worldwide. Make sure you cop the white high top laces. From a quality point of view, I will say the stitching on my pair, at least, not amazing. The stitching seems to be loose in a lot of places. And some of you guys on my Instagram have shown me the same issues with your pairs. The leather quality on these pairs is not bad. I wouldn't say it's amazing leather. If I were to give it a rating, it's a strong 6.5 out of 10. It's fairly soft. It's definitely much better than the leather you see on GR Nike Dunks, but I wouldn't say it's anything special. For sizing on these, now I didn't get these in my true size, but I'm gonna assume they fit like every other Nike Dunk, which for me is a true to size. Looking at prices on these pairs, so this colorway, the red and blue colorway, seems to be selling for the lowest amount of resale. Prices on these are barely 50 to 60 bucks over retail, which is really not too bad for a Supreme Dunk. The other two colorways seem to be much more popular, both the Stormtrooper as well as the Brazil pair selling for more than double the retail in some sizes. Those Supreme Dunks that released last year, those right after the release, they were selling for astronomical amounts. And those prices have moved up only slightly since then. But I think that's mainly because those prices were already so high to begin with. These pairs right here, I don't expect them to sit at these low prices for too long, especially considering this is definitely a bit of a collector's item if you love Supreme. So while they are at these very low prices right now, if you wanted these pairs, I would probably go ahead and just cop them right now. Overall, the Supreme Nike SB Dunk High, by any means, are these a cop or a drop? If you are a fan of the brand, yes, absolutely, I do think it's a cop. For my own personal collection, I'm a bit on the fence with these. The quality, nothing special, and maybe there's a bit too much writing on the shoe for my personal taste. If you missed out on the sneaker, I do think the low prices are quite reasonable for this pair. I will be giving it a pass, but like I said, if you love Supreme, then these are a cop. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think about this pair right here? And if you enjoyed the review, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. No on feed this time, unfortunately, but either way, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video and for supporting the channel. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.